Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will find more than and cheaper and special prices, and please press the bell icon so when I upload the new video you will be see the notification. So today we just I got it the stretch tent which is 5x10, and we got the order. We just make it now. So 5x10 you can use it guys for 50 people, and you can use it for 50 people to 40 people. That is, you can use it. So that is I'm cutting to 30 meter, 10 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter. I cut it 3 pieces, 10 meter, and we join. So let's see to start it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. You will find it more than and cheaper and special prices guys. I'm so happy a lot of my customers subscribe my YouTube channel and they support the channel. When is 1000 complete guys to my YouTube channel, so only when is 1000 complete on my YouTube, that there will be special prices on my all YouTube families and customer, the best prices on for wedding stuff. So just please subscribe and wait for 1000. When is 1000 complete, I'll let you know guys. Thanks. So let's start to stretch 10 guys, 5x10. I just already cut 10 meter now, and now I just cut one piece more guys. We just a lot of design we just make for the side because the people like it. Yes, my brother, pass it. Now guys, we just finished to cut it to 3 pieces, 10 meter, and now we'll just cut this design for the side. The side design guys is the best design and is beautiful. My lot of customers like the side design because this is very only for side design. It's only for side falls, not for center. That's why. So now we're just starting to for the side design, and let's see how I'm making this. It's so easy. Abdullah, come here. Today I'll just make 2 different designs, not that the same, because before you see on the same design on that is 5x5. So today 5x10 there will be little bit of different design guys. There will be not the same design. It will be the same side design but different design guys. See guys, it's looking just like this, and now I just open and I'll show you how it looks. Abdullah, open, go back and stretch. No, Abdullah, but stretch this one. Stretch. This is just little bit of different design, guys. You can see when you stretch, they will be looking like nice, like here, like this. So when you stretch, they will be looking more than nice. Come, Abdullah. Come. Now I just finished the stretch tent guys, which is already finished the stretch tent to 5x10, which is you can use it on 50 people, right? And that the stretch tent you're using 40 to 50, and if you need also the waterproof like royal blue color, I got it yellow, pink, white, you can also let me know. The waterproof price is 40 rand on per meter, but that is I got a best quality one guys. So if you want the waterproof, also let me know. Now the guy it just start to our locate. Let's see to that guy how is our lock the stretch 10 guys. I start the stretch 10 guys right now, which is the 5 by 10, and we just our lock it now guys. So you can see how is our lock it now. It's 3 pieces guys. So now it's just busy and is making now guys. So if you want a stretch 10 now guys, let me know the order so we can just make for you the stretch 10 guys. Guys, you can see I just cut for 5 by 10 guys. I hope you would be like this video guys. If you like, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and press the bell icon. A lot of people are just complaining about the data guys. Sometimes I'm just laughing because the data you'll just buy for 110 GB or 15 and 5 GB. And if I'm give the like sometime yesterday I upload the video for 2-seater sofa, right? So that sofa I'm selling in the shop 1650, 1600, and YouTube I just on my YouTube family and my customers I just tell to them I say I'll give to on special 1550. So sometimes I'm give discount to 100 and 200 and so don't complain with the data, just watch the videos, you'll find it more than cheaper. For me it's no problem. I got a lot of customer on the WhatsApp. They can just WhatsApp me and can just buy. But if you buy the cheaper and looking the cheaper prices, because I see a lot of customer you want the cheaper price, you watch my video on YouTube, you will be find more than in cheaper and special prices. So I request for all people, watch the videos and please share with your friends so I can find more customer, and that is lot of for me. And thanks guys for watching. We'll see you to next video on soon on for next stretch chain, yeah, sofa, yeah, anything for wedding stuff. Thank you guys.